You are watching Little Rainbow Rhymes.
Hello, friends. Hoi. Today our cute little baby and his best friend Puppy are playing in the garden. Oh, dear. The sun is shining brightly, and colorful flowers are blooming everywhere. Suddenly they hear a sound. Caw! 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 A black crow is flying slowly above the garden. The crow looks very tired and thirsty. Baby looks at the crow and says, "Oh, Puppy, I think the crow is thirsty." The crow flies down and sits near a small clay pot. Inside the pot there is a little water, but the water is too low. The crow tries to drink, he puts his beak inside the pot, but he cannot reach the water. Caw, caw, the crow cries sadly. Baby looks worried. Poor crow, says the baby. Puppy tilts his head and watches carefully. Then the clever crow looks around. He sees many small stones on the ground. Suddenly the crow gets an idea. The crow picks up a small stone with his beak. Plop! He drops the stone into the pot. Baby and Puppy watch with curious eyes. Then the crow picks another stone. Plop! Another stone falls into the pot. The water slowly starts rising. Baby claps his hands. Wow, the crow is very smart. The crow keeps dropping stones into the pot. Plop, plop, plop. Soon the water rises to the top. Now the crow bends down. Sip, sip, sip. The crow drinks the cool water happily. Caw, caw, thank you, says the crow. Baby smiles and says, "That crow is very clever." Puppy barks happily. Woof, woof. The crow spreads his wings and flies into the blue sky. Baby laughs and claps his hands. Smart thinking can solve big problems. Puppy wags his tail happily. So friends, what did we learn today? Being clever and patient helps us solve problems.
Bye-bye, friends. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.